Okay, today's training will be on how to input a listing on the MLS. I'm going to close something on my computer here and share my screen. Okay, so first thing is we have to get into Matrix. I'm going to type in matrix.northstar.mls. Autofills. Okay, so I am in North Star MLS here. The menu bar on the top has a bunch of different areas you can go. I'm going to do a couple things. First off, I'm going to see if there is a previous listing because there's a shortcut here that we can save a lot of time inputting a property. And today, what I'd like to do is input a property that's going to be a coming soon on MLS. The property address is 2101 Irving. Type 2101 Irving. See there's two results on the bottom. There could be an Irving North, Irving South. I hit search. Here we go. Irving North, Irving South. And this is the last time this property was listed. I click on it. What I'm going for here is the MLS number, but I'm going to do two things. I'm going to print a copy of this to PDF. Print the PDF down here. And I'm basically going to just take this page. I'm going to move it to the side. You can't see that right now, but I have it on my other monitor in case I need to reference it. All right, now, next thing I am going to go into the system that you input a property is called Add Edit. It's going to open a new window. It's on the upper right there. Notice these are some current listings that the office has. I am going to go down here on the right side, see where it says Add, bottom right corner, Add. This happens to be a single family. Sorry. I'm going to back up here. There's a shortcut. So normally we would go add single family, state, county, the parcel number, and we can start typing in all the attributes for the property, but there's a shortcut. So remember, I found the previous listing. I'm going to put the MLS number, which is 4643440 up here. There it is, 2101 Irving Avenue South. Now, it is going to pre-fill all of the data from the last listing. If you notice, this is, take my word for it, it's the last time this property was listed. We're going to do a little trick here. We're going to copy this, and it's going to create a new listing. If you look on the top here, notice the new MLS number, 525-1186, okay? Well, now here's the problem. We need to go through and look at all that data that was here before and make sure we update it. You know, the tax year, 2019, it's not homestead. So basically we're going to go through here and with using the tax records and using the data from our listing contract, we are going to fill out the current, that's the price right here, but just the current price, the terms that the seller will accept, and if there's any changes to the property, update the tax records, update the descriptions, and then ultimately we're going to upload the photos. So I'm going to do that later. Now I'm going to show you how to upload a photo. So you go to, you see on the top, you have the single family, incomplete. It's not complete. We still have to do all the data, but we can save it as incomplete. Here's the listing data here. In the middle is the media section, and that's where you put photos, videos, things like supplements, virtual tours, and stuff like that. Now you have to make sure you're not putting anything in here that has the brokerage name on it. Okay, this isn't meant to be marketing your brokerage or you as an agent. It's meant simply for the purposes of representing the property or material facts about the property. So to put a photo in, you go to the bottom right corner here, add. That brings up some photos, and of course we can put, this has several properties of mine where, actually here's 2101 Irving, but I don't have the photos in there. 3734 Rhode Island, that doesn't have the photos in yet. 4340 Bryant, this is an example of a property that has a photo. If I wanted to put photo in, I just can select one or many of these photos and it'll upload. I think we can do up to like 50 photos now. So anyway, and then the last thing here I want to show you is open houses. Again, bottom right, see where it says add. You can add an open house, and you can do a public or open house just for brokers. Most people just do public now. The broker tours typically were held on Tuesday around the lunch hour. They still happen, but since the discovery of the internet, it's less and less important that agents go out and actually tour the homes. Not that it isn't important, but you can get a very, very good representation of most properties by, great photos, virtual tours, Matterport tours, all kinds of great drone footage and stuff. But if you wanted to, you could do a broker tour, have refreshments, lunch, set the time. Normally people open houses. This house, we might end up doing drinks at it and snacks. And when I say drinks, I don't mean necessarily alcohol, but refreshments, because it is a nice home. It's a $1.3 million listing. So we are just going to X out of here for now. And I'm going to go back to the listing. And for now, I am going to stop the video. And we will come back to this a little bit later.